Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has called for a quit vote chori movement, accusing attempts to delete voters through the ongoing Special Intensive Revision or SIR of electoral rolls. Speaking at the KPCC office on August 9th, Shivkumar asked Congress workers and booth-level agents to protect voters' rights and ensure that enumeration forms are properly filled and submitted. He claimed that around 1 crore voters could be deleted through the SIR exercise. He also urged those who have turned 18 to register using Form 6, stressing that without voting rights, they would have no political voice. Drawing a parallel with the Quit India movement, Shivkumar said the slogan British Quit India should now become Dictatorial Mindset Quit Power. He also said that Swaraj is our birthright should now be understood as protest is our birthright. Calling the constitution the country's Bible, Quran and Bhagavad Gita, Shivkumar said efforts had been made to eliminate the Congress, but the party would not bow, bend or back down. He said the Congress would focus on the 2028 Karnataka Assembly elections and 2029 Lok Sabha polls. As part of its organizational plans, the party will build 100 offices in Karnataka to mark the centenary of the Belgavi Congress session, where Mahatma Gandhi became party president. It will also honor 100 Congress leaders aged above 70.